Most of the products we use every day started as innovations that had to be taken from a concept to the real world. Francis Tuttle's Manufacturing Technology Machining program gives you the skills to do just that. Take raw materials and ideas and turn them into premium quality products. Under the guidance of experienced instructors, you'll explore blueprint reading, applied mathematics, and precision measurement techniques, all while learning to program and operate a wide array of professional machinery. From engine lathes and vertical mills to advanced CNC equipment and CAM software, you'll gain practical experience with all the essential tools of the trade. And with expert quality control training, you'll leave equipped to produce parts that meet the most exacting industry standards. We train students to be makers. So dream big and make it happen at Francis Tuttle.